Hjerde here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. So as you can see, this is kind of a different video from usual. I was just very excited receiving the Cyberpunk 2077 edition. This is, by the way, a limited edition, and yeah, I wanted to show you the actual unboxing. As my unit is actually the 2070. That is the date of the end of the unification war, the massive conflict between the new United States of America and the Free States, if you need some lore. Also was the date that Arasaka was actually allowed to go back to Night City after what happened in 2023. You know, the Arasaka incident. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So by the way, if you want to know more about the Cyberpunk 2077 official viture Luma glasses, I already made a video about it. You can check it down in the description below. But yeah, in this video I wanted just to check it out and just play a bit of Cyberpunk with my new 2070 glasses. Let's get into it. By the way, I asked Viture if maybe they have a discount code available for you guys for the glasses, or anyway anything of the Luma series. So hopefully that will get back to me, and in case I'm gonna leave it down in the description below. But yeah, let's get in the game a bit, shall we? And to play the game, I'm actually using immersive 3D, so everything I see right now is actually translated real-time in 3D by AI with the feature immersive 3D that I used to use quite a lot. And yeah, in the glasses look absolutely awesome, by the way. Little problem, actually I had my 72 hours save file, but yeah, for some reason it got corrupted, so I can't get into it anymore, so we're gonna go with the first mission instead. But yeah, when I'm here, I can actually see like the gun right in front of me at this distance and everything further away, like it will be like in VR or something like that. I hope the frame rate is gonna be good. I'm recording at the same time I'm using the 3D functionality, and yeah, I have everything set to max with the path tracing thing, so it looks freaking incredible with reflections and everything. It's nuts because like it feels like in front of me. It really makes a difference when we're talking about 3D. And this is not even native. Hopefully CDVR will make an actual 3D mode, but so far this AI thing is working very, very well. And we've seen also Google moving in the same direction of what Viture is doing for Android XR. This must be the first time I actually play a flight game in on the channel. I don't play many games on the channel, to be honest, but that aside, it doesn't really count because I have 3D on these things. I mean, the amount of details that you can get, how much it feels like correct with path tracing, it's crazy. Nope, maybe this is not something to show on the channel. Let's make some noise. Oh, frick.
Clean it up.
But yeah, the quality is pretty awesome indeed. We're talking about like a 1200p in this case, but because it's a micro OLED display, like the space between the pixels, it's very, very small, so it feels a bit different from what you would expect. Two more. Big guy. But yeah, with the 3D it's kind of crazy because it really looks like I'm ducking behind something. I just wish we had like some kind of like a 3D OF mode to move my head around in game. That would be absolutely fantastic. Dude. Yeah, sometimes in this case it gets confused, the 3D, but overall, as you can see, completely playable and enjoyable. Yeah. I forgot about this part. Skip.
Sandra Dorset.
Yeah, that looks very 3D as well. Damn, it looks good. It looks very good.
Landing, stand clear. Initiating security protocol. Follow all instructions.
Okay, guys, you can take away my monetization thing. Thank you so much. But yeah, just to give you an idea, that thing feels very far away. While here it looks like just in front of me. Woo! Jeez, this thing is high up. But I wanna try in a car a second. Man, nice city. Awesome.
Morgan Blackhand, Andrew Whalen, Adam Smasher. Legends are born here.
But yeah, these are the official Cyberpunk 2077 glasses, 2070 edition, playing Cyberpunk 2077. Thanks, Viture, for my Christmas present. And of course, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Ciao.